Good morning, students. Today we will discuss another trace element, zinc, manganese, lithium, and most important, selenium. First of all, we will discuss zinc. It's a nowadays zinc is a useful as a multivitamin and supplements. As in every disease, zinc is given. So zinc is very important. Total zinc content of the body is 2 gram, out of which 60% in skeletal muscle and 30% in bone. Highest concentration of zinc is seen in hippocampus area of brain and prosthetic secretions. Rich dietary sources are grains, beans, nuts, cheese, meat, and shellfish. Copper, calcium, cadmium, iron, and phytate will interfere with the absorption of zinc. So, and zinc and copper will compete inhibit each other's absorption. So, also in copper toxicity, zinc is given to reduce the absorption of copper in Wilson disease. In liver, zinc is stored in combination with the specific protein known as metallothionein. Zinc is excreted through pancreatic juice and to a lesser extent through sweat. More than 300 enzymes are zinc dependent. So it is important question is which enzyme contains the zinc? Zinc containing, name the zinc containing zinc dependent enzyme. So some important ones are carboxypeptidase, carbonic anhydrase, alkaline phosphatase, lactate dehydrogenase, alcohol dehydrogenase, glutamate dehydrogenase, and etc. RNA polymerase contains zinc, and so it is required for the protein biosynthesis. Extracellular superoxide dismutase SOD is also zinc important, so the zinc has the antioxidant activity. Another one important point is insulin, when stored in the beta cells of pancreas, contains zinc. So the zinc is useful for the stabilization of insulin hormone. So the commercially available preparation that protamine zinc insulin, which also contains zinc to stabilize the insulin. Okay. Now, zinc deficiency manifestations. One is poor wound healing, lesions of skin, impaired spermatogenesis, hyperkeratosis, dermatitis, and alopecia are the deficiency manifestation of zinc. There is reduction in number of T and B lymphocytes. So it is also help in the general immunity of the body. Macrophages function is also resetted in the zinc deficiency, which lead to the depressions, dementia, and other psychiatric disorders. Zinc bind with amyloid to form a plaque in Alzheimer's disease. Now, second deficiency is acrodermatitis antropathica. It's a recessive condition where the zinc absorption is defective. It's characterized by the acrodermatitis, that is dermatitis inflammation around mouth, nose, finger, etc. Diarrhea, alopecia, and ophthalmophagia and hypogonadism. Chronic zinc deficiency is manifested as the leukonychia punctata and a white spot in fingernail. Now, requirement of zinc. For adults, it is 10 mg per day. For children, it is 10 mg per day. In pregnancy and lactation, 15 to 20 mg per day. Since iron inhibits absorption of zinc, when the iron is supplement given, zinc is also given to prevent any deficiency. Now, zinc toxicity. Toxicity manifestations are seen as when intake is more than 1000 mg per day. toxicity of zinc is usually seen in welders due to the zinc oxide fumes inhalation. Many roid poisons contains the zinc compound, which lead to accidental poisoning. Acute toxicity is manifested as fever, excessive salivation, headache, and anemia. Chronic toxicity may produce gastric ulcer, pancreatitis, anemia, nausea, vomiting, and pulmonary fibrosis. Now the most important, selenium, trace element. It is very important for your short question, MCQs and Viva purpose also. The UGA codon is acting as a codon for the direct insertion of selenocysteine into selenium containing enzyme. The selenocysteine is directly incorporated into the protein during the biosynthesis. Normal requirement is 50 to 100 microgram per day, and normal serum level is 50 to 100 microgram per deciliter. Selenium intakes depend on the nature of the soil in which fruit crops are growing. So it is mainly derived from the foods from the soil. Now the functions of selenium. In mammals, glutathione peroxidase is the most important selenium containing enzyme. So one very important question is which are the selenium containing enzyme. It is very important question. In mammals, glutathione peroxidase is the most important selenium containing enzyme. RBC contains good quantity of glutathione peroxidase. Now, thyroxine is converted to T3 by the enzyme 5-phase deiodinase, which is also a selenium containing enzyme. In selenium deficiency, this enzyme becomes the less active, leading to the hypothyroidism. Now, selenium also acts as a non-specific intracellular antioxidant. This action of selenium is complementary to vitamin E. Availability of vitamin E reduces the selenium requirement. In selenium deficiency, tissue vitamin E content is depleted. Now, selenium concentration in testes is also highest in the adult tissue. It is necessary for the normal development of spermatozoa. So another function is selenium is for the spermatogenesis. It is concentrated in the midpiece of spermatozoa as a specific selenoprotein in mitochondria. Now, in Quezon province in China, the soil is deficient in the selenium. This leads to prevalence of Quezon disease. It is characterized by the multifocal myocardial necrosis and cardiac arrhythmia and cardiac enlargement. Selenium is known to cure this disease. Isolated selenium deficiency in other parts of the world cause the liver necrosis, cirrhosis, cardiomyopathy, and muscular dystrophies. Selenium toxicity is called the selenosis. Selenium is present in metal policies and anti-rust compounds. The toxicity symptoms includes hair loss, falling of nails, diarrhea, weight loss, and garlic breath due to the presence of dimethyl selenide in expired air. Now, manganese. Total body manganese is 15 milligram. Maximum concentration is in liver, that is 1.5 ppm. The requirement of manganese is 5 mg per day. Sources are nuts and tea leaves are exceptionally rich in manganese. The absorption is inhibited by iron. In blood, manganese is bound to specific carrier protein, transmanganine. Manganese is excreted to bile. Functions are, the enzymes are activated by manganese. Which are the enzymes? Hexokinase, phosphoglucosamidase, pyruvate carboxylase, isocitrate dehydrogenase, succinate dehydrogenase, arginase, glutamine synthetase, and manganese dependent SOD superoxide dismutase. Manganese is an integral part of glucosyl transferases. Manganese is also required for the RNA polymerase activity. Now, another trace element, lithium. Lithium is used in treating the mania depressive psychosis. The dose is 50 to 500 mg per day. Lithium counteract both mania and depression. The therapeutically known concentration of lithium in plasma is 7 to 10 microgram per ml, while 12 microgram is toxic, so very narrow range safety. So margin of safety is very narrow. The treatment requires the constant monitoring of blood levels. Lithium causes the inhibition of inositol phosphatase, leading to increased concentration of inositol phosphate in brain. Lithium elevate the serotonin levels and reduce the catecholamine in brain tissues. Lithium toxicity lead to hypothyroidism, hyperparathyroidism, and kidney damage. So this is today for the today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss main mineral iron. So this is today trace element, which is these are the important trace elements: zinc, copper, and selenium. Okay, thank you for watching this lecture.